Welcome to how to tutorial videos. Today we are going to letting you know that how you can download Nios results. Yes, you can download National Institute of Open Schooling open school results on your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you want to download it. First of all, you have to just visit on your laptop or computer internet browser. There you have to type nios.ac.in. Yes, you have to visit to the website nios.ac.in, and after that you have to go to results. After that you have to choose the class which you want to download the result. You can choose from here secondary, senior secondary, etc. When you click on it, that you will be find options like that. Your public examination result 2019 is over here. For checking it out, you have to click on check results, and after that you have to enter your enrollment ID, whichever enrollment ID you have. After that you have to enter this captcha code which is imaged over above it. You have to type exact what is shows over here, and after that you have to click on the submit button. When you click on submit button, you will see your examination results. Hope you understand that how you can download. Link will be also provided in the description. You can directly check from there. Hope you understand that how you can download the result. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Be with us, keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like that. Be with us, keep learning how to be.